Here's a CNBC-TV18 analysis. Nearly half of the IPOs launched since 2020 have delivered at least 50% returns. 20 of them have more than doubled from their IPO price. These multi-baggers include the likes of Happiest Minds, MTAR and Vector Foods. However, big names including Paytm, PB Fintech and Nykaa remain well below their IPO price. Hormaz is standing by now to take us through the IPO report card. Hormaz, what does it look?
IPO season is well and truly back, and IPOs worth over 35,000 crore rupees are lined up for the remainder of 2023. But today we'll take you back to the last 3 years, which has seen the launch of nearly 100 IPOs. A caveat that we use here is that we have considered only those IPOs that have had a size of 500 crore rupees or more. So let's take a look at these issues. Out of the 94 such offerings over the last 3 years, 44 of them have returned at least 50% to shareholders. 20 of them have even doubled from their IPO price, and this is as of closing last Friday. Among the most successful names include Happiest Minds Technologies, MTAR Tech, Mrs. Bector's Foods, and Craftsman Automation, which have tripled or even more from their issue price. Macrotech and Equitas Small Finance Bank completes this list. Now, I'd like to draw your attention to Happiest Minds Technologies in particular. It was one of the few IPOs that were launched in the COVID year of 2020, and amidst the uncertainty, it was still subscribed over 150 times. As of Friday, the stock had gained 5 times from its IPO price, but the returns could have been much higher had the stock not almost halved from its all-time high of 1,580 rupees. Yet, the stock is up a handsome 450%. Of course, if there are gainers, there'd be losers too. 26 out of the 94 such IPOs are now trading below their IPO price. Most of them are new age companies like Paytm, Aditya Birla AMC, Nazara Technologies, PB Fintech, Nykaa. But it is Cartrade Technologies which is the worst performing IPO over the last 3 years, correcting nearly 70% from its issue price. I'm breaking the norm slightly for a special mention. Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders was not a 500 crore IPO, but a 450 crore IPO. After a brief period of struggle, the stock has left the street spellbound over the last 2 years, and as of closing on Friday, the stock was up 13 times from its IPO price. So the key takeaways from this: 2 out of India's 3 largest IPOs, LIC and Paytm, are trading well below their IPO price, but 9 out of the 10 most successful ones are sized between 500 to 1,000 crore rupees.
Hormaz, many thanks for joining us. That is the IPO report card, and as Hormaz was pointing out, we do have a strong pipeline to look forward to. Now, the